This is one of our bigger hot water machines. So this heats the water on demand. I'll try and do a bit of talking now before I turn it on. So you've got a 300 litre tank full of water. It weighs 950 kilos. It's under a ton in terms of logistics and putting it in vehicles. And like I say, you're heating the water on demand. So you've basically got an industrial sized diesel powered TR, for want of a better word, low pressure hot water through. So it's low pressure. So the droplets are bigger, so it retains its heat, rather than if you steam with tiny droplets, the heat dissipates. Yeah. And also, you're getting a bigger coverage onto the leaf of the plant. So you are literally, and it's coming out at 100 degrees, so by the time it's hitting the plant, it's between 95 and 100, depending on how far away you hold it from the plant. And you are literally boiling that plant above the ground like you would kind of cooking spinach in a pan. And then the water's penetrating the surface, and it's using the soil as an insulator around the roots. So the test we've done, half an hour later, the soil's is still at 60 degrees C later. So you are spending that time cooking around the roots. Probably not as effective as the electricity on the roots, but it's kind of next best. So, and with the diesel powered machines, you can also flick it into pressure washer mode. There's battery powered ones which you would fill up last job at night, plug in overnight, and then it's like a pressurized thermos flask, and you take it to site. They haven't got the pressure washer ability that the diesel powered ones have. It's got 80 metre reel on it, which is brilliant because you've got a nice long working area, but it does mean when you first turn it on, I've got 80 metres of cold water to pull through before I get that first hot water.
Little twin cylinder Kubota engine in the middle of that.
Yeah. Cold water now. You get some steam coming off it, then it's got a bath temperature, and then you'll know when it's